Reddit was down after global outage lasting several hours. Reddit experienced accessibility challenges, resulting in a global inability for users to access the platform through desktop and mobile applications. After a brief disruption that lasted approximately an hour, Reddit services have been restored. Although the cause of the outage has not been officially announced by the social media platform, both the website and the mobile app are now accessible. This is the third time in the past 3 months that the platform has experienced a similar outage. Worldwide, Reddit users experienced difficulty accessing the platform on their desktops. The precise cause of the issue remains unknown, but users encountered an error message stating, "No healthy Upstream," when attempting to access the platform via their computers. Additionally, some users reported encountering error messages such as Upstream connect error or disconnect reset before headers. Reset reason, connection failure, and our CDN was unable to reach our servers. Over 200 reports of Reddit outages were recorded on Down Detector. In response, many users flocked to alternative social media platforms, such as Facebook and X, to share their experiences with the issue. However, according to redditstatus.com, all systems were functioning normally, contradicting the reports of outages. In September and August 2024, Reddit experienced similar outages, resulting in server errors and page not found messages for users in the United States. The company promptly addressed both incidents, classifying them as degraded performance for Reddit.